Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change brake pads on Mazda CX-9. Begin by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and loosen lug nuts before raising the car. Place jack stands under the frame and remove the wheel to access the brake caliper. Lay out your tools and new pads nearby, and keep a container for small bolts and clips so nothing gets misplaced during the job. With the wheel off, remove the caliper bolts and gently slide the caliper away from the rotor, taking care not to strain the brake hose. Support the caliper on a hanger or nearby suspension component and remove the old pads and any retaining clips. Use a C-clamp to fully retract the piston into the caliper, making room for new pad thickness. Clean the caliper bracket and check the rotor for grooves or scoring that might. Place the new pads into the caliper bracket along with any new clips or shims, and apply a thin layer of brake grease to the pad backing and contact points to prevent squeal. Reposition the caliper over the pads and tighten the caliper bolts to the proper torque. With the wheel reinstalled, slowly pump the brake pedal to set pad position and check fluid level, then perform a cautious test drive and re-torque lug nuts when cool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.